பொருள் கோடி தந்தாள் பூமேடை வாசல் பொங்கும் தீராது ఇప్పుడు చూడు எண்ணம் உயராக வை
cool to get up now.
May we request the most energetic person to deliver the welcome address.
Memorial trophy in volleyball for men, women, and this year is initiated of the Shivaji Maharaj Trophy. That is interested in sport, particularly in volleyball, kabaddi, Ramkumar. It has to be promoted during the college for all the colleges in Tamil Nadu and South India, even in India, and he has made initiation. And based on this initiation, we are making this program here. Thank you, Ramkumar, for this great initiation, and thanks to Shivaji Prabhupada for organizing this program that we are conducting, and many colleges and universities from various parts of our state and other states are participating. Thank you very much. And Mr. Srikanth, you know, every one of you know, is a cricketer, isn't it? He was the captain of India. He was the winner. He was World Cup winner. The great father is here with us. You know, but one thing you do not know about him. Everybody knows the cricketer. I don't have to tell you. But one thing you do not know about him, that he is a person who is guiding and giving the facilities for the students to improve themselves in their career. T20learning.com. You can go to T20learning.com, and he's got a program of careerstrokes.com. Giving a career, every student are studying. Study is not important. He said you should have the skill of leadership, skill of communication, and he's got an organization. That organization is giving the facility, and he says learn, succeed. Learn, perform, and succeed. You're learning. Are you performing? Are you succeeding? And he's going to tell us learn, perform, and succeed. And our college and T20learning.com is going to associate, and all our students are going to get the benefit of this program of career guidance and leadership skills. Thank you very much, Mr. Srikanth, for giving us this opportunity. I once again appreciate the same time I'd like to tell you the achievement. Our students have made an achievement. One student has got a gold medal, has broke the record, national record, has been broken by him in the weightlifting. I request him to kindly come and get the award from him. At the same time, one of the students is the Marshall Science College. Aravind, he has led the students. He has led the students of Tamil Nadu, he led the students of all over India, and he was having a march past in the Republic Day. He was honored by the President of India, he was honored by the Prime Minister of our country.
மாணவர்களை வழிநடத்தி தலைமையேற்ற மாணவர் நமது SSM கலை மற்றும் அறிவியல் கல்லூரி கணிப்பொறியியல் 2ஆம் ஆண்டு பயிலும் கோ அரவிந்த். இந்தியாவையே வழிநடத்திய இந்த SSM மாணவரை சிறப்பு விருந்தினர்கள் இப்பொழுது கௌரவிக்கின்றார்கள். இரண்டாவதாக லக்னோவில் நடைபெற்ற அகில இந்திய பளுதூக்கும் போட்டியில் SSM பொறியியல் கல்லூரி 2ஆம் ஆண்டு MCA பயிலும் ஞான சண்முகம் முதல் பரிசை பெற்று SSM பொறியியல் கல்லூரி வானலாக செய்தார். இவரையும் நமது சிறப்பு விருந்தினர்கள் கௌரவிக்கின்றனர். இப்பொழுது நடிகர் திலகத்தின் புதல்வர் ராம்குமார் அவர்களுக்கு எங்களது பொறியியல் கல்லூரி மாணவர் பிரபாகரன் மலர் மாலை அணிவித்து வரவேற்பார்.
Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for coming out in large numbers to participate in the sports function. I'm very happy to associate with SSM for the volleyball tournament, and I'm very proud they've brought forward an indigenous sport like Kabaddi. We'd like to promote these indigenous sports in India, and I thank the SSM University for coming forward and doing it, and my friend and my relative, Mr. Madhivanan. Thank you. And I'd like to say that Mr. Krishnamachari, you know that he's not only the World Cup winner of the 2018, he's also the chairman of the World Cup team which won the World Cup last year. And he's still the chairman of the BCCI selection committee. He actually flew in from, Madhu was a little mistake, he didn't come from Chennai. He flew in from Bombay just for this function. So I'm deeply indebted to him for coming here and participating in this function and encouraging students. And he knows what it is. He's come up in a very tough way. He came up as a cricketer and became a world hero. And now he's also into education. I'm very proud to say that I think SSM engineering colleges and other arts and science colleges are going to adopt Mr. Shrikant's career strokes teaching thing. This thing will be useful for you people when you're leaving college, especially for getting employment and placement outside. Thank you again, SSM. Thank you all the participants. Please participating in sports is an excellent thing, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable address. இப்பொழுது மேடையில் வீற்றிருக்கும் சிறப்பு விருந்தினர் திரு கிருஷ்ணமாச்சாரி ஸ்ரீகாந்த் அவர்களுக்கு 2ஆம் ஆண்டு BSc மாணவர் கோபி அவர்கள் மலர் மாலை அணிவித்து வரவேற்பார்.
We are immensely delighted and honored in introducing veteran cricketer, star cricketer and crowd puller in World Cup final to win the World Cup for India in 1983. In late 80s, Shrikant captained Indian cricket team to Pakistan. It was under Shrikant's captaincy, Sachin Tendulkar made his debut. He has a passion for cricket. He is known for his direct and honest comments. He is unbiased, a beautiful commentator and a good columnist. He is the brand ambassador of Chennai Super Kings. Now, he is the chairman of the National Committee of Indian Cricket Team, who renders his service to elevate the Indian cricket team. Good, please, sir.
Dear
dear friends, first of all,
to organize
ஆம்பளைங்க தனியா உட்கார்ந்திருக்காங்க. This is for the, I am talking to the, because Mr. Madhivanan told me that a lot of foreign students and of course North Indian students are studying. This is for the benefit of the North Indian students and the foreign students. I am just telling them, why the hell are the ladies and the men, gents and the girls sitting separately? Yo, the boon சொல்றது என்ன boon சொல்றீங்க? Principal boon சொல்றீங்களா? First and foremost, I like to tell you only one thing. You know why I'm here? Yes, of course, I have respect for Mr. Madhivanan. I respect SSM College of Engineering. The main reason I'm here, but the most important reason I'm here, is not even for Ram Kumar, my very good friend, not even for Prabhu, the big actor, my good friend. But I think the name of Shivaji Ganeshan is the main attraction here. Now, I'm very happy that Shivaji's family, I don't want to call him Mr. Shivaji Ganeshan. He is known as Shivaji son, Shivaji da nammalge. MGR, Shivaji, Rajini da. So, சிவாஜிக்கு வந்து இந்த மாதிரி கபடி, வாலிபால், all these kind of sports encourage பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு ஆசைப்பட பிரபு கிட்ட கார்ல வச்சு சொல்லியிருந்தாரு. I'm very happy that you have a trophy named after Shivaji, Shivaji Ganeshan trophy, and one trophy in the name of Prabhu. And it's very important for a college like SSM Engineering and Mr. Madhivanan to promote these kind of games. Because in India, fortunately for people like us, and unfortunately for people like you, only cricket is the biggest game. But let me tell you one thing. All sports and games are very, very important in life. I am also qualified for your information. One thing they forgot in introduction. The first introduction they should have said is I am a qualified electrical first class engineer from College of Engineering, Gindi. But I engineering படிச்சு பிரயோஜனம் இல்ல. நான் இந்த 78 when I passed out electrical engineering in College of Engineering Gindi, I scored 72% electrical engineering. One of the most stupidest subjects ever on earth actually. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் இன்ஜினியர் சுவிட்ச் போட்டா லைட் எரியும், அது மேல ஒண்ணும் தெரியாது. So the reason why I'm saying all this is this. படிப்பு மட்டும் இருந்தா இந்த காலத்துல ஒரு பாச்சாவும் நடக்காது. படிப்புக்கு மேல ஒரு கையில ஒரு வித்தை தெரியணும். What do you need to become successful in life? Studies alone cannot make you successful. It can give you only a mark sheet. It can give you only a certificate. Certificates are not going to take you anywhere in life. Let me tell you that. In fact, if I was the principal, I would have said, make all your introduction in English, speak in English, talk in English. The reason is now, Tamil na, anala Tamil பேசுவேன். உங்களோட வார்த்தையிலே பேசுவேன். தமிழ்ல பேசியாவா? யோ, உனக்கு தமிழ்ல பேசினா வேலை கிடைக்காதியா? என்னது? தமிழ்நாட்டுல போனா தமிழ் பேசுவேன். உனக்கு தமிழ்நாட்டுல போனா தமிழ் தான் பேசுவேன்னா உனக்கு அப்படின்னா இங்கே இரு. உனக்கு வாழ்க்கையில வேலையே பெரிய இடத்துல வேலை போய் அச்சீவ் பண்ணுனா எல்லாம் தெரியணும். ஜாகிரதையா